Take command of the road in the 2019 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like all-wheel drive, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, and one-touch window functionality. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.